Welcome to my channel. I'm here in Brooklyn Center, driving to St. Paul, Minnesota. It's winter. You can see, of course, snow everywhere. That's straight ahead. That building is where people get their driver's license. And they also have a library. So join me if this is the first time for you to visit. I always ask people to subscribe because why not? If you already subscribed, thank you so much. Continue watching our videos. That's how you support us. Help us get to 20,000 subscribers. If you're not subscribed, I appreciate it. We're at 14,000. I'm going to be driving on a highway. It's called 694. It bypasses Twin Cities, St. Paul and Minneapolis. We just saw there 94. That's interstate that connects Minnesota and North Dakota, passes through Wisconsin going towards Illinois. I'm not gonna go towards Minneapolis right now. I'm gonna go to 694 east, bypassing Minneapolis. Let's see how the traffic looks. It's a big pothole. In winter, you have to be careful when you drive. You have to watch the road because we get a lot of potholes. Right now it's 1 degrees. Earlier it was 14 degrees below zero, and with the wind chill it was minus 35. So it warmed up a little bit. It's 1 degree. 1 degree Fahrenheit. This is 694. Some people have always told me to, when I'm driving, to describe where I'm at so they know. Don't like talking too much. Now this is a Mississippi River bridge. You can see the river, but I just crossed it. And once you cross the river, now I'll be in Blaine. Once again, this is 694. It bypasses Minneapolis and St. Paul. So you can call it a bypass. If I keep going east, because right now I'm driving towards east, it goes in crosses over interstate 94 in Woodbury, Oakdale, Minnesota. Traffic is flowing, going 67. I think speed limit here is 60. I'm not sure, I haven't seen the speed limit. You can leave a comment, but be respectful, be kind. There's a family channel, Jacob and Dad. starts in Minnesota up north in Duluth, goes all the way to Missouri, however you say it. I've taken it with my kiddo going to a football tournament in Kansas City. You might not notice the difference between interstate and a highway. Sometimes highways have the same amount of lanes, 3, mostly 2, in some places 3 lanes, and also on interstate the same thing. In the cities, the interstates have 3-4 lanes. Once you get out of the cities, it's just 2 lanes. This is my exit. Now I'm gonna merge into Interstate 35W. In case you wonder why is W35, because which is weird. You're going west, but actually you're not. You're going south. But right there it says W. It should say 35 south, S. You can see here is 4 lanes. Far right, that's an exit lane. And from here, I'm gonna go exit and take Highway 36 going east. That's the one that will take me to St. Paul. See the orange, that's a sunset. Of course you can't see the sun because it's way to my right. Sunset. Looks beautiful. If you are a driver, leave a comment, let me know if you like driving. I love driving. Now I'm in Roseville with a population of 36,000 people. Roseville, Minnesota. To 36. If I stay in the middle of the right lanes, that goes to Minneapolis, past Minneapolis, all the way to past Iowa, or you drive through Iowa going south. I think you can go all the way to Texas and beyond, maybe using 35W. Eventually it turns to 35 south. Usually the letter is based on the direction where you're going. So I'm gonna take 36 going east. Looks beautiful with the snow. Now I'm on Highway 36 going east. This is Roseville. Thank you so much for joining. Hopefully you're gonna come back and watch my playlists. You don't have to, but if you did, that would be awesome. This is still Roseville, Minnesota. My exit is coming up shortly. I see a tow truck to my right over there. Is it a tow truck or yeah, it's a tow truck. Some pickup truck broke down. Exit is coming up here. It's called Rice Street. Speed limit 60. Exit 49. And if I kept going for another half a mile, there will be 35E. You saw 35W, 35E. They merged together in Burnsville, Minnesota to make 35W. I mean, to make 35 South. Alright, take care. Come back and watch a playlist. Subscribe if you are not subscribed. Support us. This here is called Rice Street. Peace out.